Hey, feel I'm in the mood for a switch up. I hit the function, hit the rose till I hiccup. I hit the stage and leave with money that's a stick up.
Good morning, lifestyle lovers. Welcome back. So today's video is going to be just a bedroom update. In the last video I showed you guys the bedding, so now I have the duvet insert, which this is it right here. It's the down alternative microfiber comforter in the king size. It's made by Linenspa, and I purchased this off of Amazon. I was having a really hard time finding a down comforter in the discount stores such as Ross, Marshalls, TJ Maxx. So I end up ordering it from Amazon. I paid $65 for it. So if you're interested, I will link that below. I do not have any deets on it because of course I'm just opening it. So I'll go ahead and insert it into the duvet, and then I will give you guys an update. And I also purchased these black throw pillows. So let's see, they came in a set of 2. It looks like it says Dwell Studio, and they were $24.99. They have a little shimmer to them. If you can see, they look like they may be made of linen, but they have a little shimmer to them. So I don't know if those are going to work. This is the bookcase. It's the Tesso Bookcase from CB2. I'm not going to record the installation of the bookcase, but you guys will get to see the finished look. So it's just some bedroom updates, installation of the bookcase, duvet insert, and just some additional bedding. And so yeah, so we're just going to go ahead and get started with that, and I'll come back. Oh, I also brought this throw from, where did it come from? Marshalls. It was $14.99. So it's just a black throw. I told you guys black was going to be an accent color, but I'm loving it more and more. So that's pretty much all that I'm going to be incorporating into the bedroom today. Biggest thing is the Tesso bookcase. I will insert a clip of how it's supposed to look, but it's going to go right here on this wall, which is between the 2 windows in my bedroom. The bookcase will go all the way pretty much closest to the ceiling as we can get it. And yeah, so I'll check back in a little bit with the updates. Okay, lifestyle lovers, this is the duvet insert. It's not real thick. I guess that's how it's supposed to be, but I'm going to go ahead and use the Tootsie Roll method to insert it into the duvet right here. So I'm going to have to turn it inside out and flip it over, but this is it. So it's not real thick for $65. I don't know, maybe I should have been expecting a little bit more. And this is the bookcase. It's coming along nicely. Okay, lifestyle lovers, so you have 2 ties along the duvet cover right at the edge. I turned it inside out, and then you have a tab. So I'm just going to slide the ties through the tab, kind of like tying a shoestring. gonna pull it like this and then tie it. So this is how I have it tied. I'm assuming that's correct. I'm not sure, but I'm doing that at all 4 corners. So that's one corner. Then we have another corner over here. It's tied in the same tab. And then we have another corner over here. And then I'll go ahead and tie the 4th corner. And then I'll do the Tootsie Roll method, which is basically grabbing it and flipping it over like that, like so. Okay, lifestyle lovers, the bookcase is up and I'm loving it. Here is just a close-up of what it looks like. It goes all the way. I wanted it slightly above the baseboard, and as you can see, it is. It has 5 shelves. So just to get a view, still have to clean up in here, but I have the black pillows, which I think will work because you can still see the mauve behind the black pillows. And then I have black throw blanket. So yeah, I like that. It looks good, honey. Guys, it looks good. I like it. I like it. Like it. Okay, lifestyle lovers, as you can see, my shelf in my room is up. I'm getting ready to go ahead and end the vlog here just simply because I'm tired. It is 84 inches. It's from CB2. It's called the Tesso, Tesso bookcase shelf. And it flushes against the wall. So here is an entire view of the shelf. It has 5 glass shelves, which I need to clean. This ceramic ring actually came today from Z Gallery, guys. I only paid $8 for it. And in the midst of me transporting it up to the room, it fell and broke. So it's actually broke on the back side of it, as you can see. So I'm just gonna super glue it and just turn it so you won't be able to tell that it's broke. I went back on the site to see if they had any more, and they didn't. They sold out. It was actually on clearance for $9. And I've been wanting it for a while, so I just went ahead and ordered it. So just to give you a view of the room, this is how the bedding is looking. The duvet, it's not really thick, but it you know, it's nice and fluffy. As you can see, it's not as flat as it was. So this is probably about how thick the duvet is with the insert. It feels really soft. And these are the pillows that I purchased from Home Goods yesterday as a set of 2. I still have the tag on it, $24.99. I'm not going to take it off just yet. But so far, I am loving everything. So just to give you a pan of the room, we have the bookshelf right here, the bookcase. Then we have the new bedding, which I am loving. It's from CB2. It's a mauve duvet with black pillow accents. I have my wall art over here. Seating is gonna go under there, under the wall art when I get it. And then this is what the dresser is looking like. I believe I'm gonna replace this. I've had this for a while. This came from Pier 1. This artificial plant is just there to kind of hide my antenna, but I think I'm gonna replace it with something else that I seen in Home Goods. Then I have my full length mirror right here. And then we have this rug, guys. Needs to be swept, but I'm loving everything so far. So just a pan around the room. This is how it's looking. It looks really good. So that's pretty much it for this video, lifestyle lovers. Let me know what you think of the new additions to the room. There's not much left to do. As I stated in another video, the seating is on back order to probably the end of the year, so we're not even worried about that right now. And the lighting is up next. I have my ceiling fan, which I am going to keep because I have to have a fan on when I go to sleep. But there is going to be additional lighting in the room, so that'll be next up. And of course, I have to decorate the bookcase, but not any rush for that. I want actually really, really nice pieces for the bookcase. Real nice, distinct pieces. So I'm just going to grab them as I see them. But that's pretty much it for now, lifestyle lovers. Continue to be safe. Continue to be germ-free.
I just got home.
And I'll see you on the next video. Mookie just got home from school. Today's Friday. Tell the lifestyle lovers, hey. So.
I know it's getting big. I see that bar.
Would you get up? Move. All right, lifestyle lovers. Catch you on the next video. Also, comment below. Let me know what you think of the new additions to the bedroom. But it's coming along, and I'm loving it. Peace.
Hey, feel I'm in the mood for a switch up. I hit the function, hit the rose till I hiccup. I hit the stage and leave with money that say stick up. She picture perfect, so I told him I'm a flick up. Feel I'm in the mood for a change up. I leave the city and return with my change up. They got amnesia, don't remember how they played us. They wanna knock me down, but somehow I just stay up. Look, straight from the mud like Ruby. Straight to the stage, they love me. I understand they hungry, but please don't hate, that's ugly. I've been sliding, shaking, moving. I've been popping in my city. Shawty say she love the